with the governor. Speak Indonesia.
Jersey City. A little bit, but we have a very strong team.
Yeah.
I think you may remember some of you met Futuan and George, and Josie and Yolana and Yunus.
We have wrote a letter to the public works minister. We ask him to how to re-evaluate about the World Bank program for G-Day. I talked to. We need 2 years to accomplish all this program, and also we don't want to pay a rent, like not a ransom, how to say it, for people. Compensation.
Yeah.
They want to give them. We just all we want to do is we will provide them a lower cost apartment to move, include the food from this better. Because in our experience, when we give them a compensation money in this place, they move to another place. And I don't say most of them, but part of them become a profession, become a job to get this money and move again. Because I want to say, if you don't have a house, you could not occupy a riverbank or a waduk, so we move you to a better place. So this year we will provide a 45 hectare in Marunda, exclude the existing. This new develop 45 hectare. We also develop like a Danmogot, X block 800 Danmogot. Also Waduk Pluit, we also develop a 8 more. We're still in negotiation with the 6.2 hectare land again when we develop. So our method is how to difference the profession to get the money and which one who needs the housing. So we move them. Like in Marunda, we also provide them a job in industrial zone. We should talk to like itu yang tepung terigu itu, Bogasari, how to train them. Because we know Jakarta, if you have to always give them compensation money, you cannot solve the problem. Everybody will, like you said with the weather. They're asking for 3 million per meter square, or 80% for housing. How come? You cannot do that. So that's why we say 2 years, because we need a 1.5 years to provide this our apartment, our house apartment. Now, how we develop this? There are many ways. We can use our budget, but we got this is a many. It's like a bad debt maybe from the property. When the property company want to develop an apartment or office, they have to pay us as a compensation 20% from the total business asset, sellable asset, 20%. If we calculate last month, we have calculated, if one block is 4,000 square meter, that means we could get a 685 tower. If this tower 100 unit, we will have a 68,500 units. So we were talking about the Ciliwung River. Most of them say they want to stay near the place. That's why we want to develop lower cost in this Pasar Rumput. And we have also a technical office. We want to change that place, become a lower cost. It's a from financing department. I want to develop this. So if they stay They say want to stay in the near the same place, okay, you stay here. But if you have a job, we move you to Marunda. Now we want to train them. Also in Jakarta, we have a problem. It's very difficult to find an employee for building. Yeah, that's very difficult to find. Like in Bali, the same. Bali itu Podomoro Group.
For carpenter.
Yeah, carpenter. They left from Jakarta 1,000 workers moved to Bali.
Yeah.
That's why Jakarta we have a problem now. We have to train them to do this, including like a taxi driver. We not enough, including for the heavy equipment operator, like a crane. We not enough in Jakarta. That's why we want to move them to the Rinci Marunda and we train them how to do this. I think it's more important for us. That's why you say, why not 5 years? I think 5 years you're right. If you want to do this, you have to do this fast and totally. The whole Trenten River, we have a 60. Yeah, 60 ya Pak Rudi ya, sungai kecil-kecil ya. That's why we want to do with better one place accomplished.
Yes.
But all like this, all the normalization of the river, we want to accomplish in 2 years. So we could not accomplish very fast. But if we say 2 years, that's more better.
Sure.
Yes.
If we say 5 years, too long. We already out of this office.
Absolutely. No, absolutely.
Yeah. If we out here and move to the palace, it's okay. But if just out from here, that's a problem. 5 years.
But
we don't know. Who knows? Our governance one is very potential be a president. And if his party, we don't know what Megawati thinking for this, but we believe Megawati won't be the nation mother. As the mother of this nation, maybe she will ask Jokowi to run as president. And in our polling, PDI Perjuangan will be the top #1. They will get above likes in situation of 1999 situation. PDI Perjuangan will go above 30%. If we said their president candidate is Pak Jokowi, that's why the governor tell me 5 years is too long.
No.
We need 2 years so people could.
But we're very happy that you're saying this, because I think what is very good is that we share the same objectives and the same principles that you share. So we're very impatient to get this done, in particular to get everything underway and started before the rainy season. Very important to get this done. And so Vogt is going to tell you a little bit about the progress. We've had very good discussions with your team, with the Ministry of Public Works, excellent discussions, and I think a lot of progress has been made, a lot of clarification. Some of the bids are out already, so I think it can be done very quickly according to your
but
instructions.
from the Public Works Minister, this is just, I don't know, they just told me like this. They said our enterprise, local and the government enterprise could not join the bid. Because they have a commissioner still in the government official.
Oh, but that's an old story. That's an old
Oh,
story.
sorry.
Long. There was one discussion, that's a long, old story. That's old.
Okay.
No problem.
That's old, that's no problem.
Okay.
No problem.
That's why important. We want everybody
We
do
want
this
to,
together.
we share the same ambitions, and it's very important to get this done. This is probably one of the most important, projects we do. So we're very keen to get the implementation started as quickly as possible. And then the other issue you mentioned on the resettlement, we also share exactly the same principles that you highlighted. let it be, you know, done with very good consultation based on your experience and so.
Governor.
That's all. Very good, with a very good. You know, obviously you have a lot of experience. The administration knows what it's doing. So we're very happy to share same principles of being very clearly consulted, very clearly informed, documented, and fully transparent. I think that's exactly the right way.
Yeah, we guarantee about the transparency. Now you could look at this in our website. Even a one bottle aqua, you know the price.
Yes.
We open very transparent our budget. Termasuk yang monefnya juga bisa di include in the realization.
Particularly on something as sensitive as this, very
It's
important,
a
very
program
clear and transparent.
You could see in our website jakarta.co.id. Everybody know. Includes my salary. Yeah, everybody know. How much? Include
I think we should
operation
share
cost. Everybody know.
So we fully share the same principles with you, that we're very keen to get results, to get the implementation on the ground, to get clarification. We very much look to your leadership, also provide clear guidance and instructions to get this done and implemented. Maybe Fu Chong can give you a quick update on where things stand and where your instructions and leadership, I think, will be very important to really get this.
These are our public books.
Chief History.
We have actually been discussing with both the DKI team and the PU team on how to do this in 2 years. So the schedule, we are moving at a 2-year schedule. Now it's important that we do the first half of the contract this year before the rains, and in the second part of the contract next year, then we finish in 2 years. The first part of the contract, as you know, there are 4 contracts, 2 Balai Besar 2, 1 Ciptakarya and 1 DKI. It's already gone out to bid, the 4 contract, except 1 Ciptakarya. Ciptakarya still remains a bit reluctant. I'm not sure why. So maybe with your support, maybe DKI could encourage.
Ciptakarya, what's the problem with Ciptakarya?
Ciptakarya itu waktu itu kan Bapak ada mau berubah desain, jadi belum berani bidding. Terus sekarang akhirnya DKI jalan aja terus. Jadi mereka menunggu dari DKI ada
dorong aja, suruh jalan.
Ada surat
ya,
Pak.
Yeah, we asked them to redesign because it's too shallow. They put the seat pile. We need more deep than that. Jadi suruh jalan apa aja.
Termasuk ini, mohon maaf Pak, termasuk yang Cideng itu yang minus 2,8 kan, Bapak minus 5,5 Pak. Termasuk itu juga mungkin. Terus sambil jalan gitu Pak.
Iya.
Karena nanti
we have a Cideng gets.
What we discussed with you is that we expect that designs will always need to be reviewed and changed from time to time. Not only for Cideng Tamrin, for everything, because this is a dynamic system. Each time the rain comes, something happens, another can collapse and so on. You have to always make change. And what we propose is that if you make change, you make the analysis, we do the design. The supervision engineers will be on board in 4 to 6 weeks' time. They already negotiated it actually. So they can make changes as the situation develops. But let's not stop the work. Let it proceed.
We just keep going.
Yeah.
2 years.
Yes, we do. Now it's very important not to have too many delays because if you start another round of engineering
We just fight Ciptakarya. Even Ciptakarya. And in this office also.
not to be ready before the
Saya
rainy
rasa,
season.
jadi biasanya Pak, kalau masalah-masalah cukup diketemukan aja biasanya
Yes,
selesai. So actually, what Ciptakarya now needs, if I understand, is just a letter or confirmation. Let's go on. That's all. They will go today.
I think they,
mungkin ada semacam kayak PIU-nya kali ya. Mungkin Bapak ada sebagai
Kita undang aja. If when we have a problem, you just tell Yani, and we have a meeting here, so we can solve very fast.
I think your instruction is enough.
Yeah.
Just to say, go ahead.
From what I hear, what Ciptakarya needs is just a short message from DKI, even a short note from DKI basically saying please proceed with the contract.
Okay.
Ciptakarya siapa namanya?
Pak Pong nggak?
Ya udah, kasih tahu Pak Pong aja.
Iya.
Dia mereka kita kan sepakat tidak kalau di mana kita nggak mau ngomong kita.
Emang waktu
Itu cerita berapa bulan yang lalu.
minggu lalu tuh kontakan dengan Pak Pom dan mau ketemu dengan Pak Rudi.
Udah Pak, telepon aja Pak.
Iya.
Pak yang sampai repot-repot itu.
Siap.
Yang 2 tahun dikeroyok bersama.
Siap.
So all documents are ready. They can actually issue it now immediately. It's quite
Thank you for this.
All the different instructions we've been able to discuss today. What is important is that if we go out a bit now, then there's reasonable chance with contractor mobilization and so on that we can get the work started before the rainy season.
Yeah.
That is important because if we miss the rainy season, there will be
Yeah,
March. Right?
That's what Mr. Governor request. Very important. Itu very fast, including Waduk itu, your FA equipment have to in Waduk in this month.
Siap.
Yeah, Pak Gubernur. Every week, Pak Gubernur visit.
Iya kemarin juga.
Every week.
Dua-duanya.
So be careful, I said this. Every week, Governor
And
monitor by himself.
so getting the bids out is probably the most important first step, just to get it started, and then start with the implementation. And I think what's also important is to realize this is a long-term engagement over several years. It's very complicated, lots of sensitivities, people living there, and it's very important that we always share information of what's going on, what we find, what you find, your concerns. And so we're you know where to find us. Very easy to talk to us anytime. And so we're very happy
I think we could
to
make
good information.
make a schedule. There's a regular meeting
Absolutely.
after this.
Absolutely.
So maybe a good meeting here. So could directly report to me.
Yes.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
I just start area semua PU.
For us, this is the most important
Yeah,
part. to
if
get
I have
this
a
done.
problem, we could solve very fast.
Because we are very interested in this time because we also live in Jakarta. We also don't want to. We also want to see this.
We already become Indonesian.
Dan juga kadang-kadang bahwa mungkin kalau bisa informality ya Pak ya. Jadi misalnya kalau ada isu yang
Iya,
secara informal,
Iya, just
mungkin biasanya dengan Pak Joko Kirmanto kita juga kemarin begitu. Jadi misalnya kadang-kadang
Just send SMS anytime,
ya,
and you can find us. You can find us anytime and say, "I want to talk to you. I want to find out. And
Yeah.
Tell us
I
what."
already have my phone number.
Yes. Yes.
karena kadang-kadang sometimes what we realize is that it's just a matter of communication only. Like many things you say, we actually share the same thinking in many ways, and I thought that would be very good if we can actually help you in any way on those ideas that you have.
Yeah, so we've been very much admired how the governor has done resettlement in Solo, and I think there's a lot to be learned from him. How he did a very complicated issue like this resettlement with minimal disruptions and minimal social upheaval. Jakarta is very complicated, a long history, also very, very sensitive, and of course this is very important if you want to get the flood management done. So we fully agree with the idea that it's transparent, that people are fully consulted, and that there's very good documentation on the entire process. So we fully share the same principles on this one, and want to learn very much from the experience you've had in Solo, and clearly the good judgment that the governor has brought in there, and we very much like to support you in that. And maybe on this particular point, if you don't mind, if John can tell you a little bit about the ideas that on how we can best partner with you on the resettlement issue.
So actually, as you mentioned just now, the things that you are already doing, purchasing land, developing the public housing with now, even making plans for training and thinking about jobs and so on. Those are actually the positive things that we actually do in many of our projects, and we fully support them. In fact, the fact that you are already thinking about this is very positive, because in many cases it takes a lot of discussion even to get to the point where the administration thinks about the issues that you're already doing. In our discussion with your teams, we have also moved towards discussing let's take a very pragmatic and practical approach, because we need to get this done in 2 years.
Yeah.
So it is best for the DKI team, together with the World Bank team, go to the site and we, as Stefan said, we resolve all the issues there. We do all this consultation as well as necessary, and come up with something which is workable for the community. And of course, what you're saying is already going towards that. It may take some time for the Rusunawa to be built, we understand. But let's plan for that to be next year. Rusunawa is done. Let's move to contract.
This year we also still have many Rusunawa. You know what? We take back by force. Some of these Rusunawa they sell or rent it to other people. Now we have to find the data, and we already, last weeks we already took back more than 200 units. Very fast. So we find out if we not stay here, we just took back your Rusunawa. So I think I don't know, we have to make a meeting after we go into the facts in the situation. Maybe we settlement the riverbank first. But if on like an inspection road, if another second step, while we're waiting for a complex of this Rusunawa, we do for the riverbank, like in Wadukpuit. Or we want to, this already have a 7,000 housing in the right side. But in the riverbank is 1,000, almost 1,500. So we prefer to do this first. So the next step, after we finish, we do another. But you say it's right. The reality is, some of them got a rental, some of them good house or have a power, have a follower like that. But some of them have to negotiate.
It's complex because every community is different. Everybody has different.
Some of them have to negotiate.
So it's very
some of them have to pay them.
Very important that they.
Some of them.
Very important that to get them involved to know that, so they have a clear understanding of what is being achieved and what the objectives are, and that the flood management will ultimately benefit everybody in Jakarta.
But if you say you want to pay all of them, everybody asks money. That's the problem. We could not find out who really want the housing, who really wanted to the money.
Exactly.
I took the money, they moved to another riverbank. So one could get maybe 5 times after we finish. That's why I want to put it in 2 years. In 5 years, they really took 5 times. 2 years, maybe we just lost 2 times. They moved. But it's like that. This is the reason.
The main thing is fairness, that everybody feels they're being treated fairly, that they're being involved in the decision making, and that they have full access to all the information. I think that's very important because it's such a complex and fluid environment. And so many people feel very strongly about this.
The problem is about the resettlement. That's the problem.
And also, just to clarify, the bank rules are very simple. It's a principle that there is transparency, there is fairness, which you are doing anyway, and also the fact that there is a consultation, that people are consulted upon. Now, I think there is a lot of goodwill of transparency which is there, and I think what is needed is more of little technicalities under it. Means how to engage the people as well. So we would be very happy in any way we could be of help on this. Now, there is no rigidity in terms of if there is a better option, the bank will always be happy. But what we have is a minimum principle that is consulted, that it is fair, based on transparency. As long as those 3 principles are around, the bank has no other, like there are many other, the technicalities goes within those frames. It's not about this way or that way, but rather more of transparency, consultation and things. So what we can do initially perhaps is actually we have some people who are working on this field and they have many experience in the past, even together, I think, including Joko has a lot of experience as well. So actually, together we can do this in a spirit of the speed that you want, as well as on the certain principle that actually you also believe in. So I think we can do that. And maybe we can actually do that also.
And our team is ready. And if some of the facilities are already ready, as you said, let's start. And
I
what we
think good
also
stuff. To you.
Yeah, from our side, we're completely, this is our
Okay,
highest
okay,
priority.
this
We're
one.
Langsung
Yeah,
dari
happy to
Langsung
go.
aja.
jalannya.
Yes.
Yeah,
You know,
no obstacles at all from our side.
And the important is, thank you for this explanation. Mr. Governor also, when you mix in the technical problem to engage with the people, Mr. Governor want to go to this side
Of course,
and
yes.
talk
Exactly.
with the people.
Exactly.
They would bang and the governor could go there.
And people
Tinggal minta gubernur datang. So to make a negotiation and talk to the people, Mr. Governor want to give.
And he has a lot of experience.
Yeah.
He knows, he has a very good judgment.
And people also, when with Mr. Governor, even they still get angry, they a little bit
Calm down.
If I make them the problem, it will be a riot. But if with the governor, it's okay. When Mr. Governor told me, okay, go to the field, his job, his duty, I am here.
And also the other one that always be very useful is facts. Fakta.
Yeah.
It's very useful. If actually
Yeah.
we could get facts more and more, we actually can facilitate consolidation much better. And I think this is another area our team could be actually helpful as well, if it can be.
And a lot of thinking has been done.
Correct.
A lot of thinking has been done, but it needs to be constantly adjusted in view of the
Yeah.
politics, the situation, who lives there, who doesn't. Each
Yeah,
community
yeah,
is
for
different.
us, it's how we could use our intelligence
Correct.
experience to administer this justice.
Yes. Yes.
It's talking about how to bring the justice to the people.
Yes, absolutely.
That's why we have to, the police how to administer this justice. And it is more important for us.
Yeah, in our experience,
With
as long as
experience
people
with
know,
bank, Mr. Governor,
Sure.
I think we could do this.
in our experience, as long as people know what the objectives are and they're being fully involved and fully consulted, I think that there's an understanding of this, even if the feelings are very strong. But it's also, I think, very easy to understand that the canal cleaning has to take place. Otherwise, Jakarta is at the risk of constant flooding, which will affect the lives of so many millions of people. And this is the most effective and cheapest way of reducing the flood in Jakarta. And we see it every year, and we hope to next year it will be much mitigated if we get this going now. So from our
Pak Gubernur turun kan, yang penting program ini langsung jalan aja udah.
as soon as this
Iya, tetap aja. Mr. Governor, we are very happy about it.
Dan juga also the first 4 contract actually does not need any resettlement anyway. The first 4
Iya,
that is coming.
langsung aja itu.
Ya,
Just start it. Langsung start itu aja.
as soon as they're selected,
Kita
get it in.
Iya, berarti
Langsung cepat ya, ajak Pak Gubernur turun langsung.
nunggu pemenang lelangnya dulu.
Iya.
Nunggu kontrak atau pemenang lelang dulu.
Supaya-
Udah jelas belum?
Udah Bu, yang pakai 4 itu yang 3 udah out biddingnya Pak.
Mereka masih nunggu
Bisa
saja.
dapat, belum tahu siapa.
Belum Pak.
Kapan?
Oh, I'm waiting. Mungkin Pak Pu,
this would be the bids will come in about mid.
Ini July, oke.
But that really requires Cipta Karya now.
Enggak, Cipta Karya, I think today, Pak Rudi, Cipta Karya kontak today.
Siap.
Cipta Karya, we,
Sebetulnya kalau di SMS itu langsung jadi.
beda ya, telepon aja tadi. Masih teleponnya.
Karena perasaan saya mereka menunggunya juga tidak begitu jelas persis apa. Tapi kalau misalnya di SMS mungkin Pak Imam Mirnawi atau Pak siapa?
Pak Imam kali ya.
Ya,
Imam Mirnawi mau Pak
Iya.
Dirjen.
ya. Pasti saya,
Iya, Pak.
I'm sure that he will. Because
Pak
I
Imam
know
Santoso, bukan?
Imam
Mirnawi.
Mirnawi.
BBS,
Pak
bukan?
Imam Mirnawi.
Dia Dirjen.
Kalau saya SMS I think you'll-
Jangan nomornya. Coba kita ngomong sama yang bawah semua nih, Pak Imam.
Imam Mirnawi.
Kalau banyak imam, kayak imam pusing imam banyak banget.
atau Pak
Bukan Pak Imam Santoso yang Ciliwung Cisadane itu kan? Beda ya?
Iya, atasnya Imam juga namanya Pak.
Pak Imam
Oh,
Mirnawi itu atasannya.
Atasannya Pak.
Oh,
Dirjen.
beda Pak Imam Mirnawi Dirjen Cipta Karya, kalau Pak Imam Santoso SDA ke Pak Muhammad Hasan.
Sudah beres yang itu kan?
Beda.
Tinggal Pak Imam Mirnawi.
tinggal Pak Imam ini.
Ya.
Jadi kita bikin surat kan, kemarin udah bikin surat tadi kan? Nggak perlu
Nggak
lagi.
perlu Pak ini Pak lainnya.
Tetap Menteri.
Oh,
Suratnya ke Pak Menteri Pak kemarin.
Iya.
there's also the next stage of these things that we need to do for the rest of it as well. Maybe Pak.
Actually, we have already proposed formally to to shorten the procurement process. And we propose that future contracts, we don't need pre-qualification, straight to go to bidding. 6 weeks, one no objection, and you can get a contract. I hope that the PIUs all accept our proposal. It's up to them, of course. But we think that from lessons from the first batch, pre-qualification is very long and actually necessary. So we can just go straight.
I think we need time to talk with LKPP.
Oh yeah.
Everyone. Like UKP 4 itu kemarin. Yeah, I have problem with it.
Yes.
As Pak Kuntoro, I have many problems. He helped me to solve this problem. We just invite the LKPP, go there.
What we've learned is, I think, in cases where procurement is involved, officials tend to get very nervous, particularly when they're conflicting signals. And I think the most important one is leadership from you, from the top, and to give clear instructions, say this is a priority, we want to get it done. And then I think the procedures are easy. The problems come when officials are not really sure, and so then they will do nothing more, will wait for further instructions. So in all cases, I think it's what you're doing is exactly right. Give clear instructions, say this is a priority, get it done before the rainy season, and move ahead. And then we can have the ground break as soon as the company is ready to implement it.
Yang lama ini kan I think the problem is the pre-qualification is need much time.
Yes, it's
but
not needed.
You change what pre-qualification to post-qualification.
Yes.
It is the same process.
Unnecessary delay.
Itu bisa
Yeah.
memperpanjang.
Jadi dirubah dari pra ke pos Pak, jadi bareng Pak.
Dan begini Pak, juga ada peraturan. Sebetulnya kadang-kadang APBN memerlukan harus pre-qualification untuk jumlah tertentu. Tapi di aturan Bank Dunia tidak perlu, dan setahu saya aturan Bank Dunia bisa dipakai untuk semua loan, jadi tinggal pilihan saja, tidak salah sama sekali, artinya tidak melanggar peraturan. So you can use either the World Bank rule, which does not require post qualification, pre-qualification, which is make it faster.
That's right.
It saves months and months. Yeah.
Dan aturan itu sudah pun tertera di dalam zona prima, jadi bisa digunakan.
Jadi kita percepat dari pra menjadi pos Pak. Jadi
sekarang aja Cipta Karya kontak aja gitu loh.
Ini Pak, dia banyak DPR.
Oh, DPR.
Mereka hanya menunggu dari DKI saja Pak. Sebenarnya mereka sudah siap. Ya.
atau Pak Pong atau Pak.
Teleponnya Pak Pong kasih tahu. Intinya kita sepakat itu 2 tahun semua.
Dan dari sisi Bank Dunia juga tahu kami kalau bisa 2 tahun lebih senang 2 tahun daripada 5 tahun.
Ya kan dulu kan ada trust soal apa macam-macam ya, transparansi.
Iya ya.
Gue kan bisa baca, aku punya mimik lah ya kan. But now it changed, everything changed. Very transparent.
Sure.
No hiding, everything.
Yeah, that's excellent, and that really helps. So I think you have to clear procurement if clear instructions are given, clear guidance, and then it's also obvious that this is a complicated project. There will be many questions as we implement it. So as we discussed, the best is probably if there are any issues that involve the World Bank, or when the issues are not clear, you feel you're not getting the full information, please call us anytime. I'm not communicating on regular meetings with you. Very important. So if you have any concerns, questions, clarifications, I think because good communications are very important, just to make sure that we know exactly what you want to do, and you know exactly how we can best partner with you in all of this. It's quite clear.
Yeah. The same case with the Jalan Raya Nonton. Yeah, some of is nervous. And we just bring to KP Pak Kuntoro as the KBP, we solve the problem. Even Endan, how here, everything is going well, but they are nervous. Yeah, this is the situations. One side, the situations talking about transparency. On the other side, many programs come out because the people don't know what's the rule exactly.
Yes.
Yeah, too many, how to say it, too many meanings.
the rules are actually quite simple. It's exactly the principles that you mentioned. You know, as long as people are consulted, as long as you're clear about it, as long as you
Ya, nanti udah beres belum? Beres dong?
that's fine.
Belum, masih mau lapor lagi saya jam 1.
Ya, ada laporan.
Lapornya udah beres kan?
Oh, sebenarnya mau lapor lagi.
Begini Pak, maybe if we have problems in India, you can make about the regular meeting of the software. Not waiting from New York, something like that.
No.
Just make a decision in here.
Take all our phone numbers at any time. Just call.
And just SMS, Arman is around, Platform is around, just SMS will come, and it's not.
Yeah, not use a letter to invite people. Like to come SMS, fast.
But we're very happy. We're very happy to work with you because you're a very strong leader, and I think in situations like this, it's very important to have a strong leader to say, "Go ahead. This is a simple project, a simple goal. You dredge the canal. You reduce the incidence of flooding. Some people will have to be moved, but the objective really serves the whole population of Jakarta." It's a very simple idea, but it needs a strong
Yeah,
leader.
I think Mr. Governor could do this very directly to the people.
And we've had so many discussions on this, but I think
Yeah,
there's no reason. Many discussions.
Juli bisa langsung
There's no reason
And
being
also-
nervous about this.
And also I realize that also from the Ministry of Public Works is very fast. They really want to move fast as well.
Yeah.
Several times, in fact, Pak Joko Kirmanto himself has tried to help to move it very fast. So I think there is all goodwill from all sides to make this faster.
He called us 2 times.
Yeah, he's
good.
He's
Very good.
very reliable.
His experience, bureaucrat from public works.
And also at the
His
DG,
hearing from public works.
and also the DG, all the DGs are supportive to make it fast. And I think you have all the excellent support from everyone. So let's get happen.
Ministry of Public Works is also very
Ini
experienced.
masalah di mana? Di PU kita di mana? Bu Yani aja pimpin Bu. Sekarang
Iya Pak.
Bu Yani aja lah. Ya, maksudnya yang koordinir nih.
Ya.
Satu lagi.
Pak Rudi tambah ragu-ragu lagi nih. Ini sistem. Mau ada surat sepotong.
Enggak.
Oke Pak.
Kalau ada Bu Yani, nggak ragu, Pak.
Waduh. Ada Bu Endang juga ragu juga.
Ada sedikit informasi Pak dari Pak Barur. Silakan Pak Barur.
Ini yang SMS yang ke Ibu Bu Yani yang dari Kasubdit P5D untuk menunda anggaran jadi 2013.
Oh iya Pak. Jadi Pak dari pihak sana Kementerian Keuangan melihat perkembangan ini, jadi anggarannya tuh belum ditaruh di 2013. Nah maksudnya kan 2014 bisa dibayar karena 2014 kan.
Kan kita tender 2013 jalan pakai yang.
Kita 2014 terus diplot.
Tapi nanti kalau ada uang muka kan harus pakai uang muka biasanya.
Iya.
Pas kontrak jadi kan ada uang muka. Itu gimana sih kira-kira?
Untuk yang kontrak mana ya? Yang
2013.
punya DKI atau yang punya
Dua-duanya.
Oh, salah.
Kalau misalnya tersedia, ini yang
100.
SLA-nya, yang DKI ada. SLA-nya ada. Yang DKI ada. Tapi yang dari yang pinjaman yang
Iya.
SLA ada di pusat ke DKI. Iya, itu yang ditunda. Yang ditunda karena itu dalam pikiran Pak itu.
Sebetulnya karena ini Pak, karena dia si Menteri Keuangan itu waktu itu gerak cepat, jadi melihat di koran berita bahwa ditunda, mereka langsung menggeser, tidak mengambil uang itu dari 2013 Pak. Tapi karena uangnya ada di situ, sebetulnya itu bisa dialokasikan nanti di 2014.
Mungkin ada cara lain. Jadi saya lihat masalah
Di perubahan kan bisa dulu.
Ya saya cek di sana.
Di perubahan masih bisa. Kan pusat lebih cepat APBN perubahan.
Ya, sekali.
Berarti kita Ibu Yani.
Enggak, sekarang itu harus dilaporkan bahwa masalah itu sudah selesai. Mereka jaga-jaga, kan itu jelas tolak kan. Kita kan tegas katakan kalau 2 tahun kita lupakan aja semua.
Kalau saya usul gini Pak, ada 2 hal yang berbeda. Menurut saya tendernya sebaiknya jalan dulu.
Ya tender jalan.
Terlepas dari proses itu gitu Pak ya.
Iya.
Begitu jalan, nanti kalau ada masalah di dalam pembayaran itu kan masih bisa ditunda juga pembayaran khusus untuk 1 paket. Tapi yang 3 paket semua kan
Iya.
sudah bisa teruk gitu Pak ya. Nah yang lain yang bisa dilakukan ini kita akan dengan segera explore. Seandainya dibayar dulu kemudian dibayar dari uang yang ada apapun, kemudian kita tukar tahun depan, itu juga satu pilihan.
Ya, yang penting tender semua jangan aja udah mulai. Jadi jangan gara-gara administrasi kita tinggal tukar-tukaran betul sih.
Ya. Saya rasa nanti ditukar-tukar, pokoknya kita usahakan dibantu gitu Pak. Jadi misalnya saya pengalaman di semua proyek kita, seandainya kita bisa komunikasi secara informal dengan cepat, itu masalah-masalah ini sebetulnya tidak dengan mudah bisa diselesaikan saja. Jadi mungkin itu yang we have to make all this effort.
Salah satu pilihan yang Pak Wagub sampaikan tadi, mungkin dengan kita approach jadi APBN perubahan, Pak.
Iya.
APBN perubahan, uang muka, segala macam bisa kita selesaikan.
Dan kalau perlu kita hubungi Departemen Keuangan juga Pak Ika. Means dari kita juga kita punya akses ke mereka untuk bisa bantu juga.
Iya. Jadi bisa perubahannya masuk ke dalam.
Iya, Pak. Ya.
Cukup ya. Jadi Bu Yani aja langsung kontak Bu Yani, telepon ada ya, supaya langsung biar urusan proyek ini Bu Yani yang koordinir ini.
Satu lagi mengenai Ancol, Pak. Jadi Ancol sekarang yang kita udah sana, mereka udah mulai bangun tanggul utara.
Iya, dia tetap dia kasih Ancol.
2 bulan itu mudah-mudahan pas gitu timingnya, Pak.
Dia udah selesai, udah bisa masuk Ancol.
Oh iya, geowujudnya emang lagi.
Udah.
Ancol
masih oke semua.
Kita tender Ancolnya belum.
Ancol siap. Ancol siap.
Thank you very much for finding that time. And,
Yang Pak busway, Parna untuk transportasi nggak dilaporkan.
Transportasi.
Nanti, oke, ada lagi dibahas.
Jadi, mungkin sedikit Pak, 5 minutes so, as you can see, that we are actually doing some tea and the bus traffic transit. And we are actually talking to Guyani, Pak Sutanto about making a white paper for bus restructuring as a whole. So we want to have this. Yeah, so we need a letter from you or Guyani to get us.
Iya, Bapak terus nanti.
Begini aja, ya itu udah oke kok.
So we can move on.
Iya, itu oke.
which this was originally, the bus system here is a copy of Bogota. Right?
Yeah.
And so there are many, I think, lessons that can still be learned from how to improve it and make it more efficient.
Iya.
Let me see.
If you have some time, I don't know when you have a free time, if you can also sometime visit our office, it would be very good to
We
get
would be
some.
very honored if you come to our office.
There's so many things we can share.
Yes?
Yeah, it's very near, but yeah, Sabang is in the kebanyakan ya kalau pas Bapak mampir. Actually, there's so many things about development.
You have food or not?
Oh yes. That one I can get. We have a special food that you will never forget.
When you come, you can choose your food. Please come and visit us.
Yes.
Jadi Bu Yani lah. Jadi jadwalkan aja. I think it's important. Visit there is important.
Correct.
So the perception of people.
Yeah. That's serious. Karena menurut saya, Pak Ahok, dia also because we work in so many different countries in the world, 100 over. We have so many to share, so many, and we wish we could be of
How
help.
many hours you need there?
Your time decides.
You can come for 5 minutes or you can come for...
No, you want to explain anything?
No, anything you want.
Last time, Minister Agus, Finance Minister came, and he stayed for 7 hours.
7 hours.
There were so many questions.
About topics. And also about anything, even by the way, we have prepared the subsidy paper for you also. And we have given to Pak Hasan Basri.
Ya, inilah kita siapin 2 jam di dalam diskusi, jadi kan bisa dengar pengalaman Ibu Yani atau 2 jam 3 jam lah kan?
And you decide whatever topic you want to have.
No, we have a strong economics team. So you've dealt here with the engineering team, but
Very
the
important.
economics team.
Property, we need to talk
Yes.
about property,
Yes.
business market.
We have urban team.
And then we have the finance team that should be working with the
Terus kita punya zero
Boleh?
Ya.
Ya.
Itu
Sampai sekali papua biaya. Model-model saya.
Oh iya, dia semua pengguna kita ngomong boleh kan biaya. Money kan follow function. Ada voting takut apa? Yang penting idenya ada di logat. Uang itu second.
Yeah, for us it's not important. It's just sharing what we. For us, the most important thing is actually the sharing of the learning. Nothing that is most important. The rest is actually much easier to work on.
Yeah, we want to take a picture from Wood Bank.
No, not like that. There was a lot of discussion. A lot of discussion about
I think many of the issues we work in are complicated issues, right? Because what we try to do is basically work with, we have a country, we're basically like a club. Right? Indonesia is a member of this club. And all these countries have different problems. And what we try and find out is how can we define the problem, what's the role of the government, and how can we share experiences from around the world. And that's a good thing. So some of these are so complicated that no country has one answer. Every country has a different answer. There's not one
Ibu
answer.
saya supaya cepat kan.
Iya.
Masuk kontak yang untuk keuangan juga mesti
Iya,
banget sih.
iya.
Ya,
Ya.
kan begitu cipta karya.
Ya.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pak. Thank you very much for your time. Please come on.
Take this.